This is my first time at BFUTR's Black Tech Conference. Very excited to meet such a wonderful network of people that were so high up, so inspiring. The talks were amazing, the conversations were amazing, and I'm leaving here better than I came.
The registration process, it was so easy. All you do is scan your QR code and in. They've got your profile lined up there. They're smiling, they're engaging. I knew it was gonna be a good time the moment I got to the check-in.
The registration process was very smooth. I didn't even have to wait in line. I literally just gave the code on my registration and that was it. I got my badge and everything from there was seamless.
One of the things that I love, sometimes you go to events, you meet people, hey, how's it going? Hey, what's up? Good to see you. And you connect with them, but then you're like, I met so many amazing people, what do I do? Well, you don't have to worry about that here because they have a lead retrieval mechanism within the platform that allows you to quickly connect and stay connected and follow up.
Cool. So now when I go back home to Edmonton, I don't have to worry about losing contact with all these great professionals because I have this awesome QR code in the UpCity app and you guys are helping me stay in contact. So I'm so grateful for this code. It's gonna make my life easier later on and very great addition.
BFUTR is a place for all Black people to be, not just those in tech, but if you are in tech, this is specifically for you. So I am encouraging you to come to BFUTR next year.